How to fix missing advanced print settings in Windows 11. Occasionally, if you are using Windows 11 built-in print drivers, you might not be able to change advanced settings such as color, paper size, resolution, and two-sided printing, even if your printer came equipped with these features. The solution to this issue is to remove the printer from Windows and reinstall the latest built-in drivers. Make sure the printer is turned on and connected to your computer. Then go to the taskbar and search for and open Printers and Scanners. Select the name of your printer in the list and select Remove. Then select Yes. From the Printers and Scanners menu, select Add Device. When your printer name displays, select Add Device, then wait for Windows to install the latest drivers. Advanced print settings should now be accessible on your computer. If the issue persists, go to 123.hp.com to download the recommended HP print drivers. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.